For over a century, you have been able to rely on Miele to protect your precious possessions and ensure your faithful friends are treated with the utmost care. So that our customers can rely on our appliances for a long time, we subject every product to rigorous endurance tests. This is the only way to ensure outstanding quality and excellent durability. At Miele, the focus on quality begins with the materials we use in the production of our appliances. We use cast iron for our counterweights as it is more robust than any other material. And we enamel the front panels of our appliances because there's no better surface finish for a washing machine to date. We meticulously test each and every one of our domestic appliances before they're approved for sale. That's quality guaranteed by Miele. For everything you really love. That's Miele. That's immer besser.